In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image background in Adobe Express. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to create images with transparent backgrounds, whether for professional design projects, social media posts, or personal use. Let's dive into the process, which is simpler than you might think and requires just a few straightforward steps. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Adobe Express homepage. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the Quick Actions section. This is your gateway to a variety of powerful tools offered by Adobe Express, each designed to make editing tasks easier and more efficient. Next, look for and click on the option labeled Remove Background. This feature is specifically designed to simplify the process of isolating subjects in an image, which means you won't need any advanced technical skills to achieve the perfect result. Now, it's time to upload your image. Click on Upload Your Photo to begin. A window will pop up, allowing you to select the image file you want to edit from your device. Adobe Express supports various file formats including JPG, PNG, and WebP, so you'll have a range of options. Keep in mind, however, that the file size must not exceed 40 MB. Once you've selected and uploaded your image, Adobe Express will take over and automatically process the image to remove the background. The software uses sophisticated algorithms to distinguish the subject from the background, making it a breeze to get a clean cutout without any manual effort on your part. This automated process typically takes just a few seconds, but the exact time can vary depending on the complexity of your image and your internet connection speed. With the background removed, the final step is to download your edited image. Simply click on the download button that appears after the processing is complete. For the best results, particularly if you want to retain the newly transparent background, choose the transparent PNG format when saving your file. This ensures that all the areas you've removed remain clear and see-through, perfect for layering on other backgrounds or using in various projects. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've transformed your image into a versatile and adaptable piece of digital content. Whether you're preparing materials for a presentation, working on a creative project, or enhancing your social media visuals, removing a background can make all the difference. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting with Adobe Express's many features, and let your creativity shine.